Back in SRI's shop here. It's the end of June, and tank car project's coming along. There's a lot of different parts to it. There's a new valve underneath, as you can see. It's gonna be, like I said, an auxiliary water car when the train goes out on, I guess, photo charts. This is a photo freight car, or I guess other excursions. They're working on that, and with all the light, they moved the tender out a while ago to make more room in the back shop here by taking out the smaller diesel locomotive that was parked right here, and they're gonna put more of the machines in here and make some more room. In the earlier video you just saw, there's some grinding going on where the stables were, so they get them flush with the metal. But here's the tender, and you can see there's stuff in there from the locomotive. They unloaded the coal last year, just in case you were wondering. And they moved it back in here, and now it's going to sit for a little while longer. And yeah, like I said, the tank car project is a work in progress. One of the things they got to do is replace the wooden planks that go in between the tank and the frame, like that. And of course they got to finish some more metal work and then repaint the whole thing. It is already done. See this valve here on the end for the water. And then this is the trackmobile, the Lane trackmobile. This is what moves the engine and some of the cars around inside the shop. It was just recently rebuilt too. Now they don't have to use the Mighty Mouse. They don't have to fire that as much. And earlier, I can show you in here now. They've got a little more light. See the fan back there, and that hole way back there is the firebox door. And you still can't see the smokestack, but you can see the light where the top of the boiler meets the superheaters. That's where that light's coming in from. And well, he's not grinding right now, so you couldn't see any sparks, but you get the point. So yeah, it's progressing still. Out here, they're working on some more of the machines. Here's another one of the machines that they're getting ready to work on the engine with. They'll probably move back into that corner over there. Some more parts of the engine. Mighty Mouse just came back in. They're draining the air. And over here, doing another one of the machines, getting that ready. And of course there's the turntable. So it's getting pretty busy again. It's summer and work on the engine progresses. Hopefully by next year. And he's grinding again. Line it back up. Okay, that's it for now.